Alright, welcome back to this channel. My name is Daniel. Alright, if today is the first time you're coming across our channel, please do well to subscribe so that you wouldn't miss our videos, especially the video that will be coming on Friday. That's next tomorrow. It's going to be the completion of that our dark sensor. In our previous video, we talked about dark sensor, making use of a light dependent resistor and transistors and very few other things, right? And we perfected the prototype. It worked. If you have not watched that video, just look at the videos below on this channel. You'll be able to watch that video so that you will be carried along. We talked about solar street lights, the way they behave, and we are trying to kind of mimic those things to solve some real life problems at home. Alright, so in today's video we are going to be demonstrating that the fact that what we did last time can actually be implemented on a Vero board where it can be deployed at home. So as it is currently right now, it can easily be integrated into the house wiring system, and it will be controlling your security lights. What does that mean? It simply does mean that when you successfully integrate this or install this, you wouldn't have to wake up in the morning and start rushing to go and switch off your security lights, which contributes to the way your token gets drained. So this system will be taking care of that. In the morning it switches it off, then at night it turns it on its own automatically. It becomes autopilot, so you don't have to worry yourself about that anymore with this little device in here. So we have solved that problem, and on Friday we'll be dropping a video where we have integrated this thing into the house wiring system. All the way it's going to look, the finishing and everything, we are already working on them. So tonight we just want to demonstrate the fact that we have successfully transferred our circuit to a Vero board. And not only that, the other time we were using it to just trigger an LED. Today we are using it to trigger electric bulb, fully connected to 220 volt, the house wiring supply. So we are good. And just watch, just like what we did the other time, we are going to use this to simulate when there is darkness. So the moment I use this dark something now to cover our sensor, which is the light dependent resistor, of course this lamp here is going to come on. This lamp is connected to 220 volt, but unfortunately, because a part of the circuitry is being controlled by this our design, it's not going to come on until darkness falls on this. Now watch. I bring it up. I bought a tiny one, so that's why by the time I cover this guy, are you seeing it? So if I release it simulating daytime, it's going to go off automatically on its own, right? Is that not wonderful? So what have you to say to Scientific Africa? If it is, thank you, drop it on comment section. If you want this thing at home, because I know that every household needs this, and it is something that is solving a very basic problem at home. So part of what you can do for us is actually to make a request. Drop your requests. We are going to make one for you. Deploy it and you enjoy it. All right. So do well to come back on Friday, check back on us on Friday to watch the finishing and see how creative the whole thing is going to look like. We already have an idea of how it's going to look like, but then we cannot combine the two videos. So stay tuned, watch again on Friday. Bye for now. It's working, it's not a joke. Alright, thanks for watching.